mayor in the R6. He actually hails from Mindanao, a very snappy ex-bag, no? And he is also the president of the Bugo-Bugo in Mindanao, no? Actually, he has an award last year as Outstanding Mayor of Mindanao, no? Awarded by Philippine Media and Mindanao Inquirer, no? We are privileged to have this one of ours, and I'm sure he will have a lot of good message for our younger classes and even for the entire R6. Let me welcome our youngest mayor, Mayor Marcos Alinur Mamay, no?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a round of applause, please.
My dearest classmates or visitors in the Philippine Military Academy, sirs and folks, ladies and gentlemen, still Happy New Year and Happy Valentine's. On May 9, 2016, I was brought by the people to mayorship. My dear fellow associates, my victory was not only due to my capacity, but the mercy of God and the sympathy of the people of Nunuan. Due to my upbringings, culture, and training from PME about love, the needy, the weak, the innocent, the oppressed, the youth, and the elderly. With the help of God, through my strong attachment to the PNP and the EFP, with the cooperation of my constituents, I proudly inform you that Nunungan, Lanao del Norte is totally drug-free and almost crime-free area. Before ending my most intimate conversation with you, my dearest fellow associates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I most respectfully remind you that life in this world is only temporary. Everything we earned materially and the status and possessions we hold will leave behind. We shall be taking journey to our supposed permanent life, and that is hereafter. The only thing we could leave behind are first, our good reputation that we have made in providing better life for our people. And second, our legacies we made that make life easier and happier for everyone. We PME products must be the supposed model citizens and individuals in our society and country. Let us give and dedicate our everything for God, our republic, and the Filipino nation. So I love you all and long live. Thank you very much.